If you're a crypto newbie, recovering USDT might seem daunting, but don't worry, I've got your back. Welcome back to your channel name. Today we're tackling a crucial topic: how to recover your USDT using a recovery phrase. If you've received some USDT and don't know what to do with your 12-word recovery phrase, stick around. I'll guide you step by step. First up, what's a recovery phrase? Think of it as the master key to your crypto wallet. It's a string of 12 words like pride, poll, and obtain. This key opens your wallet and gives access to your funds, but remember, never share it with anyone. Step 1. Download a reliable wallet. I recommend Trust Wallet, MetaMask, or Exodus. These apps are secure and easy to use. Step 2. Open the app and choose Restore Wallet or Import Wallet. Now carefully type in your 12-word recovery phrase in the exact order it was given to you. Double check for typos. Step 3. If your USDT doesn't appear immediately, no worries. Just add the token manually by entering its contract address. Make sure you're using the correct blockchain like ERC20 or TRC20. Finally, for added security, consider transferring your funds to a hardware wallet or a new wallet with a fresh recovery phrase. And that's it. You've successfully recovered your USDT. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. See you in the next video. Stay secure and happy trading.